here's Megha, Joshi and Megha Pop for you. Today we're going to do a really cute little recipe. We're going to do mini Vada Pav cups. But before I get started, just a little reminder, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. Yo, 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 yo! I am Megha from South Africa. So let's go. M to the E to the G to the Z to the I. It is Megha. Before we proceed, please don't forget to take a screenshot of the list of the ingredients so that you could refer to it later on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make little cups of the bread that we have. So let's start decrusting our bread. Again, the tip, don't waste your crust. Chuck it in the oven, make it golden crispy and serve it with a nice dip. Okay, we're done with decrusting our bread and I'm going to get out our muffin mold. For people who don't have muffin molds, you can always use the little katoris that you have. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this bread and place it in the little mold, making a cup. Just be a little careful. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake this on 180 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes until my cups are nice and golden brown. And my cups are ready. Let's put this on the side and we will start with our potato filling. What we're going to do is take our mashed potatoes. We'll just put all of it. Then to this, we're going to add some garlic. My favorite, green chilies. Then I'm going to add salt to taste. Then we're going to add a pinch of sugar. What the sugar actually does, it just kind of balances your salt, sweet and sour because we're adding lemon juice, fresh lemon juice to the mixture. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to just mix it all well. Okay, so our filling for the vada is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to roll little balls of it. Yeah. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the batter so that we can put these little potato balls in the batter and fry it. So let's get on with it. I'm just going to put this on the side. Okay, so we have our chana flour. All right, we're going to add some jeera powder. Okay, then we're going to add some turmeric powder, a little bit, not too much. Some dhania powder, red chili powder, and lastly salt to taste. Okay, perfect. I'm just going to give this a mix quickly and then we're going to add water. It's very similar to your tempura batter, okay, but just a little thicker. Here we go. Just mix it really, really well. Okay, so we've done our batter. What we're going to do is we're going to take these and put it in our batter. Okay. Okay, and we're just gonna let it soak. Okay, so let it soak for about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna take our pan and put it on with the oil. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for the oil to heat up a little bit before we fry. And my oil is ready. We're gonna put the vadas in the oil for frying. It just makes it easier, neater using a spoon. Put it gently. Turn this over because we want it to cook from all sides evenly. Okay, be very gentle. Okay, so the vadas are ready. Let's take them out the oil. Be very, very careful. Here we go. So here's the little vadas and here's our little cups. Now what we're going to do is assemble them. We'll take one little vada and put it in the middle. And the last one, we're going to add a little bit of green chutney on the top. You can have coriander and mint chutney, and you can have some meaty chutney. Meaty chutney is your tamarind and dates chutney, because that's also quite nice. Okay, now we've assembled it. This is what it looks like. Now it's time for plating. So our mini Vada Pav cups are ready. If you guys have enjoyed my video today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. Before I go, you know I always have to do this. I'm going to just take a huge bite and enjoy this. Till next time, see you.